As you know, on 23rd, whole of Goa is going to vote for 2 parliamentary constituency and 3 by-election in 3 assembly constituencies. As per our current status, that there are 11,35,811 voters in Goa, out of which 5,55,768 are male voters and 5,80,043 are female voters. 5,55,768 male voters, 5,80,043 female voters. We are having 302 service voters who have been issued postal ballot through E2PPS system, and we have issued election duty certificate to 8,501 voters and postal ballots to 3,473 voters. And for these parliamentary elections, we are having total 12 candidates, as you already know. And adequate security arrangement has been done in all the polling stations. We are going to have webcasting. So we will be keeping eye on all the activities which are going to happen in the polling station. As you know, and we have been sensitizing you time to time, that adequate arrangements have been done for proper law and order arrangements.
This time, record number of amount of liquor was seized, and sizable amount of cash was also seized. And in addition to that, to instill the confidence on the day of voting, every constituency will have a quick reaction team, and they will have a vehicle, and about 4 people will be there. And in case of any trouble, at any polling station, we have estimated that we will be able to reach within 5 minutes. And apart from that, in the run-up to election, there were flying squads which were working under the direct supervision of district magistrates. There was static surveillance team which was stationed at the border checkposts. And in addition to that, there were 55 nakas in both the districts which were put up at the critical junctions where we were expecting that maybe people will smuggle things, or maybe goodies or cash or excise. So those 55 nakas will continue to work, and in the run-up to 48 hours before the run-up to poll, borders will be sealed and checking will be further enhanced. And we are deploying around 5,000 police personnel, out of which 1,000 people are from Central Armed Police Forces. The Border Security Force is there, CRPF is there, and 7 companies of Kerala State Armed Police has also been, like our India Reserve Battalion has gone to other states.
Responses specifically for hearing impaired, where this किस्म की exercise is very nice for them, and now they exactly know how to go and vote, because it was the first time they were able to interact in a beautiful manner with the officials of the election commission. Next, a very major training what we did is with the intellectual disability, because there was a great myth that persons with intellectual disability cannot vote, right? People think कि they cannot think, तो हो सकता है कि इनके पास voting power नहीं है, लेकिन till the judicial authority says he is of unsound mind, he can come and vote. No medical authority can stop him from voting. Very important point, what we have specified is that a person with disability is allowed with an escort, with an accompaniment. अगर वो नहीं है, तो there are 2 volunteers present on every polling booth, plus the presiding officer will absolutely help these guys.